As we comb social media, we always find some really cool armatures and structures that you designers are creating, which are really awesome. But I was inspired by this pre-made armature that's really made for brooches, and to see what you could do with that, it was pretty cool, because as many of you know, I love lily grass. And so you can see by using the little insertions, I could just actually put the lily grass in there and create this really cool design. So we're using a combination of the fresh lily grass and the permanent botanical in the callus to create a really fun design with movement. So let's finish that up so you can see how it looks. We didn't want to completely cover our armature because we want to see a little bit of that glistening in between there. But you can see the flow, that design is just a gorgeous cascading bouquet made with that armature that's ready for you just to get out of the box and start to design. Have fun.